I trust Dynamatic eddy current drives because they're going to run forever. They keep going and they keep going and they keep going. They don't fail. I mean, they're old school, and old school on those drives is what you need. You don't need the new VFDs, which you're going to have to replace in 10 years. Our 400 horsepower VFDs went down one night at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I was here till past 4 o'clock in the afternoon the next day with our electricians on them, and they still had not got them repaired. If it had been a Dynamatic eddy current drive, they would have been repaired within 30 minutes. The difference between an eddy current drive and a variable frequency drive is eddy current drives are what I would refer to as old technology, which is not bad. Sometimes old technology is better than new technology. They survive tremendous hits from lightning or backfeed on dirty power. They are quick to repair, and they're cheap to repair. I mean, we have got drives that are almost 60 years old here and still running. Eddy current drives that we put in are lasting. They're there. That means we're not spending money on drives. We can put money elsewhere. I mean, I do not want to buy a variable frequency drive that I'm going to have to replace in 10 years, which is a planned obsolescence for a VFD. Dynamatic was super to work with. They were easy to procure the drives from. We received them relatively quickly. When I called the other manufacturer, they told me a minimum of 25 weeks. Dynamatic had them to me in less than 12. When we need service from Dynamatic, they arrive quickly and on scene and know what they're doing. I remember on the 400 horsepower VFDs we have at our intermediate pump station, we had a technician come in to work on these because they were down. And he walked in and looked at them and goes, "I've heard about these. You've heard about them and you're here to fix them?" He didn't do a thing for us. Dynamatic, we've never had a problem. They always have repaired our drives quickly. Again, the only thing that really ever goes out on them is either the controller board or the commutator ring and brushes. They just don't fail. I love eddy current drives by Dynamatic.